Let me show how to remove pimple from face in Photoshop. First unlock the layer and make it duplicate. Go to Filter option, click on Other and choose High Pass. Follow the process. Now press OK. Click here and choose Soft Light. Select bottom layer. Click here and choose Mixer Brush tool. Set the values. Click here and pick the skin color. Click here and set the brush size. Now draw the brush like this. That's it. Hope you like.